like you're deadlifting, right? Here's the truth. Most people load up the bar and instantly put their spine in danger. If your lower back has ever felt tight after a set, odds are you're making the same mistake 90% of lifters make. So let's fix it right now. The biggest problem? People bend over like they're picking up groceries, yanking the bar with a rounded spine, or they do the opposite, overarching, thinking it's good posture. Both steal power from your glutes and turn your lower back into a punching bag. Here's the part nobody tells you. The deadlift isn't a lift with your back move. It's a hinge, almost like pushing your hips back to close a car door behind you. Get that motion right, and the bar suddenly feels lighter. Before you even touch it, start simple. Feet hip width, shins close to the bar. Not touching, but close enough to feel the tension. Now the key, push your hips back until your hands naturally reach the bar. Intermediate fix. Lock your lats by imagining you're squeezing oranges in your armpits. This turns your upper body into a solid frame. Advanced tweak. Right before you pull, drive your feet into the floor, not lift the bar. The bar will follow because your whole body is stacked like the foundation of a skyscraper. Stable, powerful, unshakable. Rounded back? You're leaking strength and compressing discs. Overarched back? You're jamming your spine. Neutral spine with a hip hinge? You turn your glutes and hamstrings into the engine of the lift. Master this, and every deadlift you do from today forward becomes safer, stronger, and smoother.